Hello traders, in this video I would like to explain why I love everything Elon Musk has done. He's a brilliant trader, as this year he sold billions and billions of dollars of his own company. This was the only brilliant move on Tesla this year. So here's Tesla, reached reversal zone. All the discussions in Thursday live class. But if you cannot attend, enjoy the videos 24/7. Simple and pure. Here's Tesla a year ago. Let's go to exact same day on November 22nd, 2021. Tesla reached reversal zone. We're discussing with students in the course. There is only one brilliant move, is to get out of your long. Of course, everyone who asks me for the last year, I say I'm extremely bearish on Tesla. Who cares about earnings? Elon Musk keeps selling Tesla. Tesla keeps tanking from 400 until, my goodness, 155 level this morning. For that reason, I'm absolutely siding with Elon Musk, as for the last year I've been spelling out I'm extremely bearish on Tesla. This is lifeline on Tesla. Tesla has potential to 71 from 400. So hedge funds have to announce to the general public by law what they are buying in millions and billions of dollars. So look at the portfolios that consist with 56% of Tesla. Look at the holdings. And here's the biggest purchase in the last few weeks. So as you could see, Cassie Woods kept buying Tesla on the way down. On October, she bought 60,000 shares of Tesla. This is Tesla in October, ladies and gentlemen. In October, Tesla was at 205. This morning, Tesla is at 133. So Cassie Woods keeps throwing billions of dollars on the way down on Tesla. She's buying more and more of Tesla. Total portfolio of Tesla on the way down in mega billions of dollars. For that reason, I'm siding absolutely 100,000% with Elon Musk. There is no question about it. Getting rid of his own company. Hello 113 on Tesla. So I hope and pray your portfolio is not obliterated because your financial advisor loaded up on Tesla. I see it so many times in my life. I receive so many phone calls when people crying how their accounts, their 401ks, obliterated by their financial advisors. With the power of the system, you can trade it all. You are not a gambler. Sell off on Tesla is not done. So throughout this collapse, she keeps buying and adding billions and billions of dollars in Tesla. 32 million, 205 million, 56 million. More and more and more on the way down. Sell off on Tesla is not done. You can manage your money so much better than your financial account can. So the losses by top fund managers are across the board. Aikman, mega loss on Netflix, placing $1 billion trade. This is where he bought Netflix. Aikman bought Netflix at reversal zone. The only brilliant move was to short, not to buy Netflix. And again, if I take you back on Netflix to a year before, this is Netflix on December 2021 as price moves down one step at a time. This is Lifeline on Netflix. This is where Aikman should have been buying Netflix. Not at 700, but at 185. Here is more. As astronomical losses continues by top hedge fund traders who are gambling with your money. So the biggest noisemaker, Michael Saylor, who's been on multiple podcasts every day, screaming and yelling, buy Bitcoin, can afford to lose 6 billion in a day. If you cannot do that, this was not the year to buy Bitcoin. This was the year to short Bitcoin. As Ken reports, amazing to see you. This is where Michael Saylor bought Bitcoin. I've been bearish on Bitcoin. I remain bearish on Bitcoin. This is bullish junk. This is bullish weakness. Intelligent trader knows this with a single glimpse. I may be buyer on Bitcoin at 600. This is catastrophic crash. Again, price came to reversal zone. The brilliant move to exit your long on Bitcoin, not to buy Bitcoin. We're discussing this in the live classes. Market is Alpha Fibonacci chess. Price moves one step at a time. 12,000 lifeline on Bitcoin. Hearing the noise, the traders holding Bitcoin because somebody said Bitcoin going to 100. Maybe in the next life, not in this one, not anytime soon. So if you're done losing money this year, if you're done gambling with your money, I look forward working with you. With the power of Alpha Fibonacci system, you trade markets as chess. Price exactly the same across all instruments. Very, very few meant to be day traders. Only those who pass psychological test every day can day trade. Those who cannot, or hedge fund managers who are on the course, all using system long term. And when I hear that students firing financial advisors and managing their own money, it's not an unusual event. Our 76-year-old student have done that. That's it. It's been brutal year for those who've been holding longs. Short, short, short. Here is the biggest loss this year. This was catastrophic event. That's it. Have you been buying Amazon? Absolutely not. It was a spectacular short this year. Amazon keeps selling off. No matter how spectacular earnings are, you do not gamble with your money. You use your brilliant, intelligent, limitless chess. And if you want to day trade and use the software for Ninja 8, of course you can. Software came out in 2019. Software projects all of these levels automatically for you. And of course, Pat, who developed software with me, graduate of the course, will hold your hand, will help you install the software. And if there are any issues, of course, you can meet with Pat and he will answer all of your questions about software after you join the course. You can position and day trade the system. And it all starts with separating weakness we're dealing with this morning from power. So here's one of the biggest gifts I've received this year. Card from Ken's daughter in London. Ken is joining us this morning. Ken finished course a few years ago. This means the world when Ken is joining us this morning, right in time for Christmas. Thank you, thank you, thank you for all of your kind words. This is what it's all about. Thank you so much. That's it. So if Ken can do this, so can you. The sky's the limit if you obey the rules. What is your win rate, Ken? So thank you so much, traders, for your very, very kind words. Thank you, Gary. Thank you, Ken. Graduates of the course. Amazing to see you, everyone. And that's the biggest gift I received this year. My students' performance, my students' kind words. If Gary can do this, if Ken can do this, so can you. All you have to do, make an effort. And the skies are the limit. See? So, Gary shares 16 months zero loss on oil. Entirely different instrument than anything we reviewed this morning. And this is what Ken was sharing before. When everything started during lockdown in London, when all of the jobs were cancelled, Ken had to support his family. At that time, out of 156 trades, 156 wins. That's it. And that's a spectacular event. For a trader who rebuilt his life trading Alpha Fibonacci System. So our students holding the bar extremely high. And when Ken stops by and sharing such powerful statements, that's a spectacular, phenomenal reminder. If Ken can do this, if Gary can do this, so can you. The sky's the limit if you use your brilliant brain. This is Ken on our homepage. Please listen to Ken's podcasts and Ken's story. And when you click on Students Performance, I cannot upload thousands and thousands of emails I receive, but as you could see, massive, massive reminder. Can you trade Tesla? Of course you can. Can you trade Forex and Bitcoin? Absolutely. Can you trade S&P mini futures? Yes. It is absolutely 100,000% your choice what you decide to trade. Every trade a different account. Every trade a different time frame. And that's a stunning reminder. Make an effort. You can manage your own money with Alpha Fibonacci rules across all instruments, all charts, all platforms. No software required. Software came out in 2019. Course is ongoing. Video library is ongoing. So when you choose option 4, this is private mentoring. This is the most desirable option that includes everything. Group classes, video library modules, lifetime system and lifetime software for NinjaTrader 8. Option 2 is a group course. Video library modules included in every option with live classes and trading room. If you are not a ninja trader, option 1 and 3 appropriate for you. And yes, and yes, and yes, I cannot agree more. Alpha Fibs are the key to the market. You see it in a single class. Merry Christmas to all. Happy New Year to all. I hope you start using your brilliant brain. I hope you will start understanding that pure price for entry and alpha Fibonacci for exits is the answer. As students share all over the world, I look forward to receiving your email. Any questions for me? Do not hesitate to contact me. 925-257-4298 or info@fibinstitute.com. Thank you again for stopping by. Means the world. I look forward to seeing you in London very soon. That's it. Thank you, everyone.